Hi everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's look at today's key phrase. This cookie is a little bigger than that cookie. Let's break this down. Today's key skill is describing a small difference between two things. We can use a little bit, or a bit before a comparative adjective to express a small difference between the two things we are comparing. The expressions all mean the same thing and can be used interchangeably. If you want to sound more formal, it's common to use a subject pronoun followed by an auxiliary verb after than. For example, he is a bit taller than she is. If you want to sound more casual, it's common just to use an object pronoun after than. For example, he is a bit taller than her. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you would like to read. Okay, let's have a look at the structure. We start with item 1 and be. For example, this cookie is. Then we say a little bit, or a bit. Then we use our comparative adjective, bigger, followed by than, and item number 2, so that cookie. This becomes, this cookie is a little bigger than that cookie. Let's look at some examples. He is a bit taller than me. This car is a bit faster than that car. She is a bit more experienced than him. My office is a little nicer than your office. My TV is a little bit bigger than your TV. This phone is a bit smaller than that one. Okay, thank you very much for watching today's lesson. If you would like to practice the grammar structure, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.